Ducati has launched 3 new BS6 Scrambler motorcycles in India. The BS6 Ducati Scrambler Dark is priced at 7,99,000 rupees, while the BS6 Scrambler Icon is priced at 8,49,000 rupees. The new Ducati Scrambler 1100 Dark Pro is priced at 10,99,000 rupees. All prices are ex-showroom India. Ducati has already begun accepting bookings for the updated Scrambler range, while deliveries will begin from the 28th of January onwards. The 2021 Ducati Scrambler Icon and the Icon Dark are updated with the BS6 compliant 803cc L2N engine that develops 71 brake horsepower and 66.2 Nm of peak torque. In addition, the Scrambler range now gets a revised suspension, cornering ABS, and optional Ducati multimedia system. The Scrambler 1100 Dark Pro, on the other hand, carries over the hardware from the Scrambler 1100 and also comes with traction control, LED lighting and 3 riding modes. The new Scrambler 1100 Dark Pro is also the most affordable model in the 1100 range. Citroën is all set to begin its sales operations in India this year with the C5 Aircross SUV, and the French automaker also recently inaugurated its first La Maison showroom in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. The company also confirmed that it plans to introduce at least one new model every year in India as it gradually builds its product portfolio. The Citroën C5 Aircross is a premium compact SUV and will hit the market in the next few weeks. The model is being locally assembled and promises a plush and comfortable experience over its rivals. Joining the C5 Aircross will be a new locally developed subcompact SUV that will take on the Vitara Brezza in the segment and will be the brand's first mass market offering in India. Reports also suggest that the Citroën Berlingo MPV is also being considered for the Indian market. The automaker is yet to reveal its future product launches, but did confirm that all its upcoming offerings will be underpinned by the C-Cube platform in the country. The 2021 Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS will be launched in India on the 28th of January. The Speed Triple had been missing from Triumph's lineup for a few years now, and it makes a comeback barely days after its global debut that is scheduled on the 26th of January 2021. The new Speed Triple RS will be the brand's first launch of the year in India, and the Street Fighter looks promising in its teaser video. The bike witnesses a generation change and will draw power from a bigger inline 3-cylinder engine displacing around 1200cc. The motor will produce in excess of 150 brake horsepower. In addition, the 2021 Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RS will also get a new aluminium frame while sporting top-spec Öhlins suspension setup with adjustability. The bike will also get Brembo Stylema braking units. More details on the new Speed Triple will be revealed in the coming days.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.